Thanks to its resistance to scratches, durability, lightness, and sleek look, ceramic has become a favorite watchmaking material, particularly in stylish black. While Bell & Ross is no stranger to using ceramic for its watches, this is the first time the high-tech material is being deployed in the BR05 collection. Let's take a closer look at the three new Bell & Ross BR05 watches in stunning black ceramic. Meet the BR05 Black Ceramic, the BR05 Skeleton Black Ceramic, and the limited edition BR05 Skeleton Black Lum Ceramic. Do you have any questions, thoughts, or feedback, or would you like to share your experience? Don't hold back. Drop them in the comments below or pop in by one of our boutiques in Switzerland whenever you like to discover this model firsthand. We're here to assist you. At Les Ambassadeurs, everyone is welcome regardless of if you are an established watch collector, window shopper, or are new to the world of timepieces. We're more than happy to show you everything about this model in detail. Visit us in Geneva, located near the beautiful Lake Geneva, where Ignaz and his passionate team will warmly welcome you. In Zurich, you'll find us at Bahnhofstrasse on the main shopping street, overseen by Mohammed and his team. Explore our boutique in Lucerne, near the iconic Chapel Bridge, where Max and his team will be delighted to showcase our latest collections and timeless favorites, including our exquisite fine timepiece selection. In the meantime, we invite you to visit our web shop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest timepieces. But for now, let's honor this remarkable timepiece by exploring its every detail. For Bell & Ross, making ceramic watches has always felt natural. Even before becoming popular in watchmaking in the 1980s, technical ceramic was vital in the aeronautics and space industries for its ultra-resistance and lightweight properties, used in rocket nose cones and spacecraft heat shields. This professional use perfectly aligns with the brand's inspiration. As a result, Bell & Ross continues to reinterpret aircraft instrument panels in their timepiece designs, also drawing inspiration from materials used in aeronautics and space industries. This combination led to the debut of the first ceramic version of the BR05 collection, which comes in three variants, each unique in its own way. The dials of the trio of Bell & Ross watches all retain the brand's famed circle within a square design, resembling airplane dashboards. The BR05 Black Ceramic model includes a shiny black sunburst dial punctuated with a mix of luminous batons and luminous Arabic numerals for hour markers. There's also a framed date window at 3 o'clock, and at the center are rhodium-plated hands, also painted with white luminescence. On the other hand, the BR05 Skeleton Black Ceramic model has a tinted transparent dial, revealing the black ruthenium-finished movement behind it. On this version, the center luminous hands points to baton hour markers, including double ones at 12 o'clock. The lack of a date window plays up the alluring symmetry of the dial. Finally, the dial of the BR05 Skeleton Black Lum Ceramic model also has a black smoked sapphire crystal with a view of the movement inside the case. However, the hands, hour markers, and Bell & Ross logo are coated with a high shine green luminescent material, which really makes the dial pop. All three dials include the Bell & Ross logo at 12, the Swiss-made label below 6, and automatic just above 6, which references the movements powering the watches. The backs of the Bell & Ross BR05 watches are furnished with circular sapphire crystal windows to show us the black ruthenium-finished self-winding movements that drive the watches. The BR05 Black Ceramic is powered by caliber BR-Cal 321-1, whereas the two BR05 Skeleton models run on caliber BR-Cal 322-1. Both movements include a 360-degree oscillating weight and supply the watches with 54 hours of power reserve. Undoubtedly, the movements stand out, seamlessly blending contemporary style with traditional watchmaking elements, including intricate decorations. This sophisticated movement enhances the modern design of the case, resulting in an unparalleled combination. The movement is housed in the iconic 41mm Bell & Ross square case, which is 1mm larger than other BR05 watches. According to Bruno Bellamich, creative director and co-founder of Bell & Ross, this design choice was made to counteract the visual effect that black watches often appear smaller than they are, a fact clearly demonstrated here. The rounded square bezels include the customary 4 screws at the corners. The BR05 Black Ceramic and BR05 Black Ceramic Skeleton have a mix of satin-finished and polished surfaces, while the BR05 Skeleton Black Lum Ceramic has a matte sandblasted finish for a stealthier look. The black winding crown, which is decorated with the brand's ampersand logo, is protected by crown guards and screws into the case for improved water resistance. The BR05 black ceramic watches are water resistant to 100 meters. On the wrist, these black ceramic BR05 watches are boldly stylish and comfortable to wear. Since all three watches have the same proportions, they all offer the same wearing experience, but style-wise, they each boast their own personalities. The wrist comparison demonstrates that the 41mm size is perfect for fitting an average wrist without appearing overwhelming and too dominant. A signature feature of the BR05 line is the integrated bracelet design. Manufacturing integrated bracelets in black ceramic was a challenge for the Bell & Ross team, but they were up for it to create the seamless look of the new BR05 black ceramic watches. The BR05 Black Ceramic and BR05 Black Ceramic Skeleton are available with black ceramic integrated bracelets or black textured rubber straps. Note the contrasting textures between the polished center links and the satin-finished outer links. They look superb. Conversely, the limited edition BR05 Skeleton Black Lum Ceramic is exclusively fitted with a matte black ceramic bracelet to match its case. All straps and bracelets are equipped with black PVD steel folding buckles. Stealthy, graphic, and sporty, the new all-black ceramic Bell & Ross BR05 watches are a fantastic evolution of the brand's integrated bracelet sports watch collection. Whether the time and date version, the three-handed skeletonized model, or the limited edition green-tinted skeletonized variant, the trio flaunts attractive designs supported by a high-tech material. The price of the BR05 Black Ceramic with the bracelet is 6,900 Swiss francs, while the price of the BR05 Black Ceramic Skeleton with a bracelet is 8,900 Swiss francs. Finally, the BR05 Skeleton Black Lum Ceramic, which is limited to only 500 pieces, is priced at 8,600 Swiss francs. Have any of these models caught your attention and captured your heart? If that's the case, uncover these gems at one of our boutiques or contact us via our website. What do you think of the black ceramic Bell & Ross BR05 watches? Do you own ceramic watches, and what was your experience? Your feedback matters to us. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comment section below, or why not just drop by for a coffee at one of our boutiques where you can ask our watch experts anything you've always wanted to know about this model or the marvelous world of timepieces. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss out on the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.